Hey guys. TV, shut up. Shh. Hold up. This is another video, and I would like to review this Gerber knife I got. It's very nice. Very nice. It's a pretty good knife. It's pretty sharp. Ah! Yeah, it's sharp. Cut myself like twice. Don't play with stuff like this. Just cutting sticks, mainly for gutting. It's pretty sharp, as you can see. Yeah, it has a like the safety. It's pretty cool. Like you just push it down, and you put it when it's on red. You don't use it. Don't use it when the red dot's there. Yeah, and sorry. It's mainly for like gutting, and there's like I need to clean it. I go camping sometimes, and I always have it with me. It's a nice clip. The handle, I can't really tell if it's like fiberglass or plastic, but Gerber, it's a pretty nice brand. The thing that sucks about it is sometimes, that's like the only thing that's not very good about it, is sometimes it like gets stuck. I had that problem earlier today. This part right here got stuck, and I could not fold it. I couldn't see, because when it's stuck, you can't fold it. And I had to like pry it open. It was really not very nice. So that is all for the Gerber pocket knife. Peace.